Prophet ﷺ said, the first deed that will be asked you on the day of judgment is about your salah. And according to Imam al-Bahabi, not praying falls as the fourth major sin in Islam. Number one is shirk, second is murder, third is black magic, fourth is foregoing salah. It is the fourth major sin in Islam. And our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume 1 in the book of Salah, that if you pray in Jama'ah, you get 25 times, 27 times more sawab. So praying in Jama'ah is 25 to 27 times better congregation. The best time, the best peace of mind is the time of Salah. And the best part of Salah is the sujood. So if you know what benefit of Salah, one minor benefit I'll tell you. You know, people say, the 10 richest men in the world. Number 10 Ambani, number 3 Bill Gates, number 2 Jeff. Number 1 is who? A Muslim who offers 2 rakat of sunnah salah before Fajr. Because the beloved Prophet Muhammad said that if you pray 2 rakat sunnah before Fajr, it is more valuable than the earth and the wealth in it. So if you have a Muslim, you understand that, you will know the reward of that. It's the sunnah salah. Sunnah muakkada. So imagine what would be the reward for the Fajr salah.